Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will discuss about role. So you can see in this image, there is a blue box, and in the blue box, role is written. So the role defines what actions are allowed. Kubernetes roles specify permission using verbs like get. So if you want to provide only read permission, then you have to specify the verb that is get. No worries, once I will be doing the lab session, I am going to show you each and everything. As of now, just you need to understand what is a role, and when you are going to create a role, what type of verbs you can define. Like get for read permissions, list like if you want to see multiple resources, create means if you want to make new resources. Suppose you have created a service account and you want that this particular service account should have a permission to create a new resources. Then you can define a verb that is create. Update, which is another verb, and update means you can modify the existing resources. Delete means remove resources. Suppose you have created a role and you have created a service account. Now you want to assign a role to the user. So here role binding comes into the picture. So a role binding assigns a role to a user, group or service account. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.